Since October 2015, it's been the landlord's responsibility to provide smoke alarms in rented properties. Landlords now have to provide one working smoke alarm per floor and also a carbon monoxide alarm if the property has a solid fuel appliance, for example a wood burner or an open fire. Landlords can face prosecution if they can't evidence that they provided those smoke alarms and also tested that they're working on a regular basis. For more information on landlord's responsibilities, please don't hesitate to give us a call.